it is sacrificed.
Mama, did you finish my school shirt?
Look what I finished. I think it's finally ready for you. Of course, my sunshine. Walk proudly. Your future is brighter than all of this.
Want to create stunning animated films like this without paying for expensive subscriptions or software? Then you're in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create cinematic animated videos completely free using powerful AI tools. No experience needed. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your ideas into professional animated films from scratch. So make sure you watch till the end because I'll show you the exact workflow, prompts, and tools I use. So to create any film or animated, the first thing you need is a story or script. If you already have one, that's great. But if you don't, you can easily generate one using
ChatGPT or any AI writing tool. Simply type a prompt like, I want to create a 2-minute animated short film about the love between a mother and her son. Can you please write a script for me? Then click generate, and within seconds, ChatGPT will create a complete story for you. Now that our script is ready, we need a few important things before generating the video. Detailed prompts, character designs for consistency, motion and video prompts. Don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step, so make sure you don't skip any part of this tutorial. For this process, I'll be using Google AI Studio, and yes, it's completely free. Once you're inside Google AI Studio, select the Gemini model. Next, go to the System Instructions section. This is where we'll provide instructions so Gemini can fully understand the type of film we want to create. I've already prepared the complete system instruction prompt for you. Simply copy it and paste it into the system instruction box. Once you've done that, save it and move to the text box. Type, I want to make a 3D animated film with this script. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy your full script, paste it into Google AI Studio, and click send. Gemini will now analyze your script and automatically begin creating the workflow. The first thing Gemini does is break the entire script into scenes and individual shots. Carefully review every shot that it generates. If you notice anything that needs adjustment, simply ask Gemini to revise it. Once everything looks good, type confirm and hit send. Next, Gemini identifies all the important elements in the story, including characters, locations, props, important objects. It then creates detailed descriptions for each one. We'll use these descriptions later to maintain consistency throughout the animation. Once that's complete, type confirm again. Gemini will now automatically generate a detailed storyboard. Each shot includes shot number, scene elements, story beats, cinematography notes, audio direction. Everything is professionally organized and easy to follow. If everything looks good, type confirm and continue. Now Gemini creates detailed prompts for both image generation and video generation. Because Gemini already understands the entire story and all the characters, the prompts are highly detailed and remain consistent throughout the film. This consistency is what helps create a professional-looking 3D animation. For image generation, I'll be using Google Flow, which is also free. Create a new project. Then, select Image Generation Mode. Choose a 16:9 aspect ratio. Set the number of images to 1. Select your preferred image model. Now go back to Google AI Studio. Copy the first key element prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and click Generate. And here's the result, a clean, professional 3D animated character sheet. Repeat the same process for all other characters and key elements. Once all the character images are ready, we can move on to generating our scene images. Go back to Google AI Studio and copy the first shot keyframe prompt. Paste it into Google Flow. This time, add the relevant reference image to maintain character consistency. You can upload the image directly or simply type the @ symbol and select the image. Then, click Generate. And here we have our cinematic, high-quality scene image. Now repeat this same process for all the remaining shots. And that's exactly how I created all the images used in this animation. Now it's time to animate our images into video clips. For this step, I'll be using the Qwen AI Video Generator, which is also free. Once you're inside Qwen, click on Video Generator. Next, click the plus button and upload your scene image. Go back to Google AI Studio. Copy the video prompt for that shot. Paste it into Qwen. Click Generate. And just like that, your animated scene is ready. Now repeat the same workflow for all the remaining scenes. For this tutorial, I'll only generate the first 15 shots, but you can continue using the same process to complete the entire film. Once all your video clips are ready, download them to your device. Import them into your favorite video editor and arrange them according to your storyboard. Add music, sound effects, and voiceovers if needed. And that's it. You now have your own AI-generated animated film. As you can see, you can create stunning animated films like this without spending a single penny. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you never miss future AI filmmaking tutorials. And let me know in the comments what type of animated film you'd like to create next. Thank you so much for watching.
Sometimes it is sacrificed.
Mama, did you finish my school shirt?
Look what I finished. I think it's finally ready for you. Of course, my sunshine.
Walk proudly. Your future is brighter than all of this.